Hey everybody, so yesterday I didn't really get to do any video updates, and even right now it's gonna be a very quick one because it's raining again. Welcome to Israel, the one time it rains during the year. Yeah, I'm here, but I'm standing on the outskirts of Akko, and this is fantastic. Apparently, like, this is where Marco Polo came to visit a long time ago, and here behind me are the ancient city walls. I'll kind of give you, and these trees like that are just surrounding this whole place. Fantastic. I'll kind of swing you guys around here, and this is more of the city walls. I'll take pictures of all this too, so you guys can see a little bit better view. And then here is the ocean. So I'm gonna walk across the street here. Again, this is the city wall. It aligns the whole city. In this city, there's like a mosque and everything like that. That's my friend. It's my friend Eric. And yeah, so it's really great just to. Honestly, it's great to just see the ocean, because I haven't seen it in probably a good, like, since Nice, France. No, since Sicily. I haven't seen the ocean since Sicily. So it's really good to see salt water. And so yeah, so this is, there you go, a better view right there. This is Akko Israel. JB checking out. Peace.